Hi everyone, in this video we will see exercises of lesson 2 nouns. Exercise A. In this exercise you have to underline the nouns in the given sentences and then you have to write those nouns in this box, okay? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun or abstract noun. You have to write here. So let's see. First number. The Subarnarekha river flows through Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. So Subarnarekha river is a proper noun. Jharkhand proper noun, West Bengal proper noun and Odisha proper noun. So you have to write all these proper nouns here in the proper noun box. Second number. The man is known for his love for animals. So here man is common noun because no any particular name is written, only man is written, so it is common noun. Then love is an abstract noun, animals common noun. Third number, I made tomato soup yesterday, so soup is again common noun. Fourth number, during summer it is best to wear cotton clothes, so summer common noun and clothes is also common noun. Fifth number, Goa is known for its white sand beaches and delicious seafood. So Goa here is proper noun, beaches common noun and seafood common noun. Sixth number, Fort Agoda and its lighthouse are a major tourist attraction in Goa. Fort Agoda is proper noun. Then lighthouse common noun, tourist common noun and Goa is proper noun. 7 number, a swarm of honeybees descended on the flowers in the garden. So swarm is collective noun and honeybees common noun, flowers common noun, garden is also common noun. 8 number, the rising price of paper is a cause of concern for the publishing industry. So here price is common noun, paper is common noun and industry common noun. 9 number, where there is smoke there is fire. So smoke and fire both are common noun. 10 number, the oil painting depicts the Spanish armada and the English ship during the Anglo-Spanish War. So painting is common noun and armada is collective noun. Ships common noun, Anglo-Spanish War is proper noun. 11 number, India's economic growth over the past 5 years is commendable. So India proper noun, growth abstract noun, years common noun. Jharkhand produced the largest amount of coal in India. Jharkhand proper noun. Coal is collective noun but it is also common noun, so you will write it in the column of common noun because here material noun column is not given, so you will write it as common noun and India is proper noun. Next is exercise B. Here in the given sentences, there is error in the use of collective nouns. So you have to correct it and rewrite the sentence. Second number, I need to buy a set of tables. So set of tables is wrong. You have to write plates in place of tables. Third number, check out the chest of shelves. So here shelves is wrong. You have to write drawers in place of shelves. Check out the chest of drawers. Fourth number, a squadron of cars stood ready. So squadron of cars is wrong. Squadron of troops you will write. Squadron of troops stood ready. Fifth number, a mob of children gathered near the gate. So children is wrong. You have to write in place of children, you will write rioters or disorderly people. Anyone you can write rioters, either you write rioters or disorderly people. So sentence will be a mob of riotous people gathered near the gate, or a mob of disorderly people gathered near the gate. Sixth number, I bought a board of flowers for my mother. So here board is wrong. You have to write bouquet in place of board. I bought a bouquet of flowers for my mother. 7 number, a troop of ducks stood ready for the show. So troop of ducks is wrong. You have to write a troop of dancers stood ready for the show. 8 number, a swarm of lizards. So lizard here is wrong. You have to write a swarm of bees was visible at a distance. Question number 9, a regiment of men stormed into the premises. So here men is wrong. In place of men you have to write soldiers. A regiment of soldiers stormed into the premises. 10 number, a troop of buffaloes descended into the lake. So troop is wrong. Here you will write herd. A herd of buffaloes descended into the lake. 11 number, a rack of hounds attacked the stag. So rack is wrong. In place of rack you will write a pack of hounds attacked the stag. 12 number, a spring of thieves robbed the house. So spring is wrong. In place of spring you will write gang. A gang of thieves robbed the house. Next is exercise C. Here you have to choose nouns from boxes and then complete the passage. There were two possessions of which James and Della both took a mighty pride. One was Jim's gold watch that had been his father's and his grandfather's. Della visited 100 stores before she found the perfect gift for Jim. It was a platinum fob chain, simple and chaste in design, properly proclaiming its value by substance alone and not by ornamentation. It was like him. Quietness and value, the description applied to both. With that chain on his watch, Jim might be properly anxious about the time in any company. Grand as the gold watch was, he sometimes looked at it on the sly on account of the old leather strap that he used in place of a chain. Next is exercise D. Here you have to rewrite the passage by changing its noun into opposite gender. You have to write the opposite gender of the given noun. Okay. So the boy, you will write the girl in place of boy. Walked toward the market. He, in place of he, you will write she. She entered a pet shop. Again, she asked the owner, Madam, do you sell tracts? The owner showed her a few. The girl also wanted to buy a filly. However, the shop also only sold small animals. The girl then decided to visit her uncle who had a large farm. He owned a cow, or heifer you can write in place of bullock, 2 mares. In place of horses you will write 2 mares, and had even got a deer recently. He was a noted author and had married a professor. Professor is a common noun, so you will not change it. Then in place of she you will write he. He was also an advisor to Viscountess who had settled in Almora many years ago. The lady was loved by all. His, in place of his aunt you will write her uncle trusted her implicitly and made her the executrix, okay, executrix of her will. Next is exercise E. Here you have to select the correct word for the sentence. First number, politics. With politics we are using is, okay. Politics is in his blood. Second number, my trousers are too tight. Third number, I bought 3 dozen mangoes. Fourth, she gave alms to the beggar. She gave alms to the beggar. Fifth number, I have a new pair of scissors. Sixth number, he has learned the English alphabets very quickly. Seventh number, some staff from the office will accompany you. Eighth number, I need a lot of information regarding the tribe. 9 number, I have an important piece of news for you. 10 number, we are buying some furniture today. 11 number, would you like to have some coffee? And 12 number, mathematics is a difficult subject. Exercise F. Exercise F. Choose words from the box and complete these sentences. Add a or an where required. If necessary, use the plural form of the words. First number, I was reading in the drawing room when I heard a noise. Second, the monsoon has set in, so showers can be expected. Third, I saw the mob pelting stones. Fourth, we grow different kind of fruits in our orchard. Fifth, he has shown remarkable improvement in his work. Sixth number, I will claim damages immediately for the broken window pane. 7 number, the girl has a fring of hair that keeps falling over her eyes. 8 number, it is necessary to build your vocabulary to gain fluency in any language. 9 number, she suffers from poor health and has missed many classes this year. 10 number, the politician delivered a speech on the occasion of his father's birth anniversary. In this way, you can practice all these exercises. Thank you.